Good evening, everyone. Right now, as I stand surrounded by nature, I feel something very powerful. The wind is soft, the trees are calm, the sky is white and open. Everything around me is silent, yet everything is speaking. Today, I want to talk to you about growth, not the growth that the world measures, not money, not fame, not success in numbers. I want to talk about the growth that happens silently just like nature. Have you ever noticed how nature never rushes, yet everything gets done? The sun rises every morning without fail. The flowers bloom in their own season. The river keeps flowing without asking anyone for permission. Nature doesn't compete. Nature doesn't compare. Nature simply grows, and that is our first lesson. Look at the trees around you. Some are tall, some are small, some are still growing, but none of them are jealous to each other. Okay? A small plant doesn't look at a big tree and say, why am I not like you? It understands something very important. Growth takes time. In our life, we often compare ourselves with others. We see someone successful and feel behind. We see someone confident and feel small. But nature teaches us that every seed has its own timing. You are also a seed. Give yourself time. Water your dreams with effort. Protect your goals with discipline. And slowly you will grow. Nature is beautiful, but it is not always calm. Sometimes there are storms, sometimes heavy rain, sometimes strong winds. But after every storm, the sky becomes clear again. Yeah? Have you noticed how trees bend during strong winds? They do not fight the storm, they adjust, they stay flexible, and that is why they survive. Yeah, in our life too, storms will come, problems will come, people may doubt you, situations may seek you, but don't break. Bend if you need to, adjust if you must, stay flexible. Because this difficult phase is temporary, storms do not last forever. Your strength is not in avoiding problems. Your strength is in standing again after them. Look at a river. It never stops because of rocks. When a rock comes in its path, it doesn't argue. Yeah? It doesn't complain. It simply finds another way. That is why the river reaches the ocean. Many times in life, we stop because something blocks us. A failure, right? A rejection, a mistake. But what if we learn from the river? If one path is closed, find another. If one plan fails, create a new one. Movement is life. When you keep moving, you keep growing. Do not allow one obstacle to stop your entire journey. Okay, have you ever heard the sound of a plant growing? Growth is silent. When you work on yourself every day, just like learning, improving, practicing. You may not see immediate results. People may not notice your efforts, but silently you are becoming stronger. One day, just like a flower suddenly blooms, your hard work will become visible. So, never underestimate small daily efforts. Okay, nature reminds us that even the biggest tree once started as an invisible seed underground. Every year trees let go of their old leaves. They do not hold them forever. Why? Because holding on the old leaves stops new growth. In our life, sometimes we hold on to old pain, old failures, old disappointments. Nature teaches us to let go. Let go of what no longer serves you. Let go of fear. Let go of self doubt. When you release the old, you make space for the new. Okay, so today, as you step outside and look at the sky, as you see the trees, the flowers, the mountains, remember this: nature is your greatest teacher. It teaches patience, it teaches strength, it teaches resilience, it teaches silent growth. You do not need to rush. Okay, you do not need to compare. You do not need to fear storms. Just keep growing. Just keep moving. Just keep believing. Because just like nature, you are designed to rise. The sun rises again every morning, and so can you. Thank you for watching. If this video touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. जगत के रंग क्या देखूं, तेरा दीदार काफी है। जगत के रंग क्या देखूं, तेरा दीदार काफी है। क्यों भटकूं गैरों के दर पे, तेरा दरबार काफी है। क्यों भटकूं गैरों के दर पे, तेरा दरबार काफी है। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम